Okay, good morning to all. Yesterday we have started amines. Yes or no? What are the amines, Amma? Amines means the alkyl or aryl or era-alkyl derivatives of ammonia. Okay, which are obtained by replacing one hydrogen or two hydrogen or three hydrogens by those alkyl groups. Are understanding or not? So yesterday we have started classification also. What we started? Classification of amines. Okay, my dear students, let us see just a moment. Okay, in the classification based on number of alkyl groups, nature of alkyl group, and type of alkyl group. So nature of based on number of alkyl groups in ammonia. Number of alkyl groups in ammonia. Amines can be classified into primary amines, secondary amines, and tertiary amines. So what are the primary amines? So I will make you understand once again to you. So what are the primary amines? Let's see, my dear friends. Primary amines are 1 degree amine. What do we call it? 1 degree amine. So in the primary amines, so only one hydrogen is replaced. Primary amines means in which, look at here, it is a amine ammonia. From this ammonia, one hydrogen is replaced by the one alkyl group, one substituent. So this can be called as primary amine. One alkyl is attached to the one nitrogen. Okay. In case if you replace the one more hydrogen, if you write one more alkyl group, it is a primary amine. Secondary amine andre NH2. So by replacing one alkyl group, I wrote here alkyl group. So these are secondary amines. These are primary amines. So what are the secondary amines? Secondary amines contains two substituents, two alkyl groups on the nitrogen atom in ammonia. So which are obtained by replacing two hydrogens of ammonia. Suppose if I take ammonia, how many hydrogens? Three hydrogens. If you remove three hydrogen, if you remove three hydrogen, write the three alkyl groups, then we get the secondary amine. Or otherwise, so from this, how many hydrogens are there in this? Two hydrogens are there. Instead of the one hydrogen, two hydrogens. Look at it, my dear students. Here two hydrogens are there. If you remove one hydrogen, write the one alkyl group, then we will get the secondary amine. So secondary amines, to the nitrogen, how many substituents are attached here? Two substituents are attached. Okay, two alkyl groups are directly connected to the nitrogen atom in ammonia. So that these are secondary amines. Now let us see, my dear students. In ammonia, three hydrogens are there. If all three hydrogens are replaced by the three alkyl groups, then we will get tertiary amines. Look at it. So here hydrogen, here hydrogen, here also I wrote one hydrogen. How many hydrogens are there here? Three hydrogens. Instead of these three hydrogens, by replace of these three hydrogens with three alkyl groups, will get tertiary amine. Are you understanding, my dear students? Is it visible clearly to you? So it is a primary amine, secondary amine, and tertiary amine. So what are the primary amines? Primary amines contains only one alkyl group. Secondary amine contains two alkyl groups. Tertiary amines contains three alkyl groups or three substituents. Okay. So primary amines are obtained by replace of one hydrogen of ammonia. Secondary amines obtained by replace of two hydrogen from ammonia. Tertiary amines obtained by replace of three hydrogen from ammonia. Yes or no? Here, or you may say secondary amines obtained by replace of one hydrogen from primary amines will get secondary amines. By replace of one more hydrogen from the secondary amines will get tertiary amines. Yes or no? So these are based on number of alkyl groups in ammonia, amines can be classified into primary, secondary, tertiary. Artha aitha ellargu? Okay na? Primary amines andre nitrogen contains only one alkyl. Secondary amines two alkyl groups. Tertiary amines having three alkyl groups. Okay, my dear students. Right? So now let us see the nature of alkyl groups. Nature of alkyl groups. So before that, I would like to tell you, my dear students, type of alkyl groups. Type of alkyl groups. and nature of alkyl groups. Type of alkyl groups andre suppose example here I will tell you before. Sorry, here primary amines, secondary amines, tertiary amines. Okay, these alkyl groups are these two alkyl groups. These three alkyl groups are same in case on the nitrogen atom in ammonia. What do we call it as? What do we call it as? Now let us see, my dear students. In case in the secondary and tertiary amines, we are discussing this tertiary type of alkyl groups. These alkyl groups are same in secondary and tertiary amines. Based on the nature type of these alkyl groups, amines can be classified into two types. Number one, simple amines, and number two, mixed amines. Enama mixed amines, simple amines and mixed amines. What are the simple amines? Look at here. So in the secondary and tertiary amines, look at it. The secondary and tertiary amines, all alkyl groups are same. The alkyl groups present on the nitrogen atoms are same. Then the amines can be called as simple amines. Look at here. This can be written as, instead of this alkyl group is same here. These three alkyl groups should be same in simple amines. I will give the example here. CH3 single bond NH CH3. You know it is a secondary amine, but ilina CH3 is CH3 ಎರಡು same. Okay, ಏನ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಈ CH3 ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಅಮೈನ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೇನು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅಮೈನ್. ಏನಮ್ಮ ಇದು? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅಮೈನ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ CH3 single bond NO CH3, here CH3 I wrote. It is a tertiary amine. It is a secondary amine. ಹೌದಾ? ಇದೇನು tertiary amine. ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ವಿ? Okay, yes, CH3. Both all three alkyl groups attached to the nitrogen. What are the alkyl groups here? All three are methyl groups. All three are enama methyl groups. Adike ideno, it is also a simple amine. The alkyl groups present in the amines, in secondary and tertiary amines, are same. Those amines can be called as simple amines. Artha aita? Okay, mixed amines andrenu, if these alkyl groups, any one alkyl groups ಬೇರೆ ಆಯ್ತು, different ಆಯ್ತು, that can be called as mixed amines. Okay, suppose instead of this CH3, if I write the ethyl group C2H5, if I write ಇದೇನು ಎರಡು CH3s ಇದೇನು ethyl, ಒಂದು is different ಆಯ್ತು. ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? Okay, is it visible clearly? It is a different alkyl group. So alkyl groups are substituent present on the secondary and tertiary amines if in case they are different. Then the amines can be called as mixed amines. What do you call it as mixed amines? Is it visible clearly to you all? It is a mixed amines. I hope that this is clear to you. In case here CH3 is there. Instead of this CH3, if I write the C2H5, ethyl group, if I write the ethyl group, ideno idi bere, idu different to, idu different to. Both two are not same. Adike idu enayitu mixed amine. Enamma mixed amine. Clear or understanding annadu? Enilla simple amines andre both alkyl groups are same in the secondary and tertiary amines. Mixed amines andre all alkyl, so alkyl groups are not same, alkyl groups are different in the tertiary and secondary amines. Then the amines can be called as mixed amines. Same aitu simple, different aitu mixed amines. Are understanding or not? Clear? Right. So let us see the nature of alkyl groups, nature of substituent. Okay, my dear students. So based on nature means either may be substitution, either may be aliphatica, aromatica, alkyl group. Based on that nature of the substituents, amines can be classified into three types. ಎಷ್ಟಮ್ಮ 3 types ಏನೇನದು now let me discuss. Okay, number 1 aliphatic amines. Okay, number 2 aromatic amines. Number 3 please read. Number 3 era alkyl amines. So based on the nature of substituent or alkyl groups, so amines can be classified into 3: aliphatic amines, aromatic amines, alkyl amines. Okay, first of all I would like to tell you, my dear students, what is the difference between aromatic and aliphatic? How to identify SAR? What is a qualitative test? Yenilla, suppose if you see whenever aromatic compounds are having in our compound, so whenever in the burning, so whenever if you do the flame test, the aromatic compounds give the sooty flame. Okay, aromatic compounds gives the sooty flame, but aliphatic compounds will not give the sooty flame. Suppose cylinder flame. Okay, while you are cooking either rice or curry, anything, so we can see the flame on the cylinder oven. That cylinder oven will not give the any sooty flame because the cylinder is filled with the aliphatic compounds, not aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds andre example enamma benzene. Best example, very simple well known example eno benzene, anthracene, naphthalene ella kuda example for the aromatic compounds. Aliphatic compounds example eno, aliphatic example methane, ethane, propane ella kuda en example aliphatic. artha aita? Please remember, my dear students. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು aliphatic amines, very simple. Aliphatic amines either alkyl groups, NH2 group attached to the alkyl carbon, non conjugated carbon. I will make you understand, my dear students. Suppose R NH2 idenamma, it is a alkyl amine. hauda enidu? It is a alkyl amine. Here nitrogen attached to the alkyl group. Is there any conjugation? Is there any resonance in the alkyl groups? Illa. Example kodtanre CH3 NH2 I wrote here. Just I write here CH3 NH3. Is it aromatic ring? Illa. It is not a aromatic ring. It is a aliphatic. Idenamma aliphatic. So all in aliphatic amines, NH2 attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon. hauda illu? sp3 hybridized carbon. Okay, so these, look at it, my dear students. In aliphatic amines, NH2 group attached to the alkyl carbon, sp3 hybridized carbon. Okay, aromatic andrenu? Very simple, my dear students. NH2 group directly connected to the benzene ring, aromatic ring. Suppose it is a benzene, idenamma benzene ring. To this benzene, NH2 group directly attached to this carbon. Adike ideno aromatic compound. Because, my dear students, just see this benzene ring. So we know already what are the conditions for the aromatic nature of the compounds. Yenamma, already I told in first year 4 rules. It should be a ring first. hauda? Second one enamma, it should be a planar. Next third it should be conjugated. Last fourth one it can follow the 4n+2 pi electron rule. So these 4 rules should be satisfied by the compound. Then the compound can be called as aromatic compound. In this, benzene can satisfy all those 4 rules. Therefore, benzene enamma, it is a aromatic compound. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ NH2 directly connected to the this aromatic compound. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು this aniline, this compound commanded the aromatic amines. So this whenever NH2 attached to the benzene ring directly, this can be called as ಏನು aniline. ಏನಮ್ಮ aniline, ANILINE, aniline. ಏನಿದು aniline? Please remember my dear students. So ಇದು alkyl group ಬೇರೆ, look at it, nature is ಬೇರೆ. sp3 carbon, what is the addition of this carbon? sp2. So whenever if you do the flame test this compound, it will give the sooty flame. Sooty flame. But when we do the flame test this compound, it will not give the any sooty, non sooty flame ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Right? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ next era alkyl amines. So what is the era alkyl amines? Really very simple, my dear students. This is a benzene ring. It is the aromatic compound. So the NH2 group attached side chain of the aromatic compound. Look at here. Simple, I am writing here CH2 iode. CH2 iode. So this is a benzene ring. Ideno adjacent carbon. It is a side chain. Howda? To this side chain, NH2 group is present. NH2 group present at the side chain of aromatic ring. This can be called as era alkyl. What is called as amma? This CH2, this era ring. So both can be called as era alkyl. Era alkyl. Artha aita? So in the era alkyl groups, NH2 groups present at the side chain of the aromatic carbon, aromatic ring. In aliphatic amines ಏನಾಯ್ತು? NH2 group directly present on the aromatic ring. In aliphatic amines, NH2 group directly present on the aliphatic carbon. Aliphatic such as alkyl, methyl, ethyl, propyl. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Okay, right? I hope that this is clear to you all, my dear students. Right? So now let us see. This is a classification of amines. So nature of the bond. Nature of the carbon nitrogen bond. Carbon nitrogen bond. What is the date today? 13. Okay. 40. Sorry, I did not write the date. 13/8 only. Right. Look at it, my dear students. In this, so now let us see the nature of the NH bond or classification of amines. Okay, first before that let us discuss nature of CN bond. Okay, nature of carbon nitrogen bond in amines. Andre ಏನು? Suppose here R NH2 ada amines andre. So what is the nature of this bond? Okay, structure of amines. Okay, structure of amines are nature of bond. Let us discuss my structure of the amines. So nature and structure, please remember. So it is not so much important, just listen. So what is the nature here? Okay, right? So let's see, my dear students, in amines. So suppose I am taking here an example CH3NH2 on the nitrogen one lone pair ada. Similar like amines, ammonia in amines like ammonia in amines also nitrogen is trivalent atom. Trivalent means enamma? Tri andre 3. Trivalent means covalency of nitrogen is to 3. H2 covalency of nitrogen 3. That means nitrogen can form how many bonds? 3 bonds. H2 3 bonds. Just look at here. In these amines also nitrogen ಎಷ್ಟು bonds adre? 1 2 illondu 3. Okay, this nitrogen not attached to the hydrogen carbon, so you may write this structure CH3 like this also. Okay, now this bond attached to the carbon here andre indicates ಏನು? This bond attached to the carbon, not hydrogen, my dear students. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, so these lone pairs nitrogen having one lone pair, 3 bond pairs. One lone pair, 3 bond pairs. So then what is the hybridization of this nitrogen? Who will tell you, please? Preeti Patil, what is the hybridization of nitrogen? Enama, sp-a, sp2a, sp3a. What is the hybridization of nitrogen in amines? S2, how many bond pair? 1, 2, 3. 3 bond pairs. It is not visible with chalk, please. S2 bond pairs, 3 bond pairs, S2 lone pairs, 1 lone pair. 1. Total S2, 4. 4 andre hybridization ಏನು? sp3. What is the hybridization amma? sp3 hybridization. Okay. So that what is, so geometry should be a tetragonal, tetrahedral. Geometry should be tetrahedral, but it is not tetrahedral. What is the geometry here? The geometry is pyramidal. What is this amma? The geometry is pyramidal. It is not tetrahedral. Eke andre, what is the reason, sir? Why it has pyramidal structure even though it has sp3 hybridization? Reason is, please remember my dear students, so you know the repulsion between the electron pairs. Lone pair, repulsions are more than lone pair bond pairs. So there is no place, I will write down, please. So the repulsions between the pair of electrons, lone pair repulsions are more than lone pair bond pair repulsions, then bond pair repulsions. Lone pair repulsions has more than lone pair bond pair repulsions, then bond pair repulsions. So these repulsions occur in these amines. Look at here, my dear students. Here, lone pairs are this lone pairs and bond pairs. In between those two, repulsions will arise. What will arise here? Repulsions will arise between this bond pair and lone pair. Adike, enaitandre these bonds. Look at it, my dear students. These bonds solpa munjabar. They will come and solpa like this. Okay, are understanding? Adike this bond angle it will be decreased to the 108 degrees. The bond angle actually tetrahedral bond angle is to 109 degrees 28 minutes, but in pyramid so this bond angle decreases to the 108 degrees. Okay, the structure can be pyramidal. Like what is the geometry of ammonia? Pyramidal. We have studied in chemical bonding in first year. Geometry pyramidal. Bond angle there 107. Because of presence of alkyl group, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ 1 point ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. 108 degrees. Actually, it should be a 109 degrees 28 minutes at the hydral because sp3 hybridization. But it is not tetrahedral. Even though it has sp3 hybridization, it is not tetrahedral geometry. It has not tetrahedral. Ekandre lone pair bond pair repulsions. Because of lone pair bond pair repulsions, the bond angle is reduced or decreased. The bond angle enaitama decreased to 108 degrees. 108 degrees. Then the geometry is pyramidal structure. Pyramidal structure. Arthaita? I hope that this is clear to the structure of the carbon nitrogen bond. So here one more thing I would like to tell you, my dear students. Nitrogen is more electronegative than carbon. Therefore, this bonded electron goes towards the nitrogen. Carbon get the plus charge. Nitrogen get the negative charge. So it is a polar compound. Means are polar in nature. Polar bond. It is a polar bond. Clear? Please remember, my dear students. Now let us discuss nomenclature. Okay. Nomenclature. Just a moment. Nomenclature of amine. Nomenclature of amines. In Rishi, Arthaitappi. Rishi, Amit, Shobit, Anuj Pujar, Ganesh, Rajat, Pradeep. Okay, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? Nomenclature of amines. Okay, Vijayalakshmi, Bhagyasri, ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿನ ಏನಮ್ಮ ಇದು nomenclature of amines. Actually ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು already nomenclature, but here amines, how to give the names for the amines. Okay, IUPAC name ಏನು, common name ಏನು. Okay, now let us discuss, my dear students. Generally amines can be named in two systems. One is common system, other one is IUPAC system. So first let us discuss IU common system. Okay, what is this common system? First time where we are going to discuss common system. Common system, common nomenclature or common system. It is also known as trivial system. Inamma trivial name or trivial system. The nomenclature, the common name, common nomenclature and IUPAC nomenclature. The common nomenclature, it is also known as trivial name, trivial system or trivial name. So what is the trivial name of CH3NH2? What is the common name of CH3NH2? Give the same, my dear students. In the common system, the amines are named as alkyl. Amines are named as alkyl amines. In alkyl amine. In common system or trivial name system, amines are named as alkyl amine. Okay, so look at here, this prefix alkyl is, look at here, my dear students, this prefix alkyl we have to write before the amines. Okay, suppose example it can be represented as RNH2. Enamaido R. So this R it is a alkyl group. Enido it is a alkyl group. Okay na? Ideno it is a amine. What is this? This is the amine. Alkyl amine. In common name system, in the common nomenclature, amines are named as alkyl amine. This prefix alkyl is added before, right up before amines. Before amines, let us see here alkyl amine. The simple representation is RNH2. R it is a alkyl, NH2 it is a amine. Adike enidu alkyl amine. So example, instead of the alkyl, if you write the CH3NH2, ಹೆಸರೇನು methyl amine. ಏನಮ್ಮ ಇದು methyl amine. In case if you write the C2H5NH2, C2H5 ಹೆಸರೇನು ethyl. ಹೌದಾ? ಏನಿದು ethyl amine. ಸ್ನೇಹ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸುಚಿತ್ರ ಓಕೆ. ಏನಮ್ಮ ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ethyl amine. Ethyl, so because instead of the alkyl group here CH3 here C2H5, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೇನು ethyl amine. If you write the propyl amine ಬಂದೆ. Propyl amine bande. In case of secondary and tertiary amines, how to give the names are very simple, my dear students. I will make you understand. Here RNHR. RNHR. So look at here, in the common nomenclature, how many alkyl groups are there here? 2 alkyl groups. And the 2 and then di. So you should write. Look at here. So prefixes di or tri we use right before the alkyl groups. Di or tri, the prefixes di, tri are written before the prefix alkyl groups. Di enidu eradu alkyl groups. Ee eradu same aithe enu, both two are same. Adike enu di alkyl enu amine. Di alkyl amine. Let us see the one example, CH3NH CH3. Ee eradu CH3s are same. So that what we call it as is di. What are the di here? 2 CH3 di methyl. What are the alkyl groups amma? Methyl, dimethyl amine. Enidu dimethyl amine. In case if you write the ethyl, diethyl amine. Sir, in case bere aitu, how to write the name? Bere. In case different aitu. Suppose, my dear students, look at here. Suppose it is a CH3. Instead of the CH3, C2H5 birthday ಹೆಸರೇನು? How to write in common name, trivial name of this compound? Very simple, my dear students. Ideno it is a methyl. Ideno ethyl. MOE, which will which will get first priority in alphabetical order? E ಬಂದು ಹೌದಾ? who will get in first alphabetical order? ಏನ್ ಬಂದಾರ? E ಬಂದಾರ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು? ಈಥೈಲ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೀಥೈಲ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಏನ್ ಹೆಸರು ಇದು? ಈಥೈಲ್. ಈಥೈಲ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ? ಈಥೈಲ್, ಮಿಥೈಲ್, ethyl, methyl, amine. Simple. At the last ಏನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು? You should write amine. Ethyl, methyl, amine. In case ಬೇರೆ ಆಯ್ತು, you should follow the alphabetical order. In case same ಆಯ್ತು, you should write before the alkyl group either di or tri. Okay na? So this is about the common nomenclature, common system of nomenclature of amines. Nomenclature common system of amines. Okay, right? So let us see the IUPAC name. Very simple. And second common name, so it can be named as alkyl amines. Alkyl amines. In case both alkyl groups are same ಆಯ್ತು in secondary and tertiary, ಏನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು? ಡೈ. In case 3 ಸೇಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಟ್ರೈ ಅಂತ ಬರಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಟ್ರೈ ಅನೇ ಬರಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? In case ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಯ್ತು, you should follow the alphabetical order. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಆಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಏನು ಆಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಅಮೈನ್. ಈಥೈಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಈಥೈಲ್, ಪ್ರೊಪೈಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಪ್ರೊಪೈಲ್ ಬರಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಮಿಥೈಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಮಿಥೈಲ್. In case secondary tertiary amines ಆಯ್ತು, in case both two are same ಆಯ್ತು, ಡೈಯಾ ಟ್ರೈಯಾ ಬರಬೇಕ್ರಿ. Okay, in case ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಯ್ತು, you should follow the alkyl groups. You should follow the alphabetical order. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Okay, so I hope that this is clear to you. Now let us see the IUPAC system. IUPAC full form ಏನಮ್ಮ? International Union Fair and Applied Chemistry. International Union Fair and Applied Chemistry. Okay, according to the IUPAC, in the IUPAC systems, amines are named as alkanamine. ಏನಮ್ಮ? Alkanamine. So amines are named as alkanamine. ALKANAMINE. So which is derived by, look at it my dear students, alkane formula, you know, alkane plus amine. Alkane plus amine. If you combine these together, we will get alkanamine. Alkane plus amine, you know, alkanamine. But in this E, look at it, the suffix E in alkane is replacement of this E. The replacement of the E in the alkane is replaced by the amines by writing the IUPAC name of amines. This E should be replaced. You should remove while writing the combination. Look at it. ALKA alkana, Na alkana. So this E we have removed. Then you can write AMINE. Are they the my dear students? So suppose example I will write here. Methane plus amine. Similarly, I am showing METHCNE. Methane plus amine. ಏನು ಹೆಸರೇನು ಇದು? IUPAC ನೇಮ್ ಏನು? Methane plus amine. METHCNE. ಈ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, amine ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Tell me here, methanamine. METHCNAMINE. ಹೆಸರೇನು? methanamine. Sir, what is the formula? Methane formula ಏನು? CH4. Okay, amine formula ಏನು? NH2. amine function group ಏನಮ್ಮ? NH2. So ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ದು ಏನು ಬಂದೆ? CH3NH2 ಬಂತು. What will get here? CH3NH2. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ NH2 ಬರಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. What will you write? Just remove the one hydrogen, write the NH2 on the CH3 group. So then we will get methanamine. In case it is a C2H5NH2. ಹೆಸರೇನಿದು? Ethane plus amine. Ethanamine. Are understanding or my dear students? Is it visible clearly? Okay. In case propane ಆಯ್ತು, CH3H7NH2. ಇದೇನಾಯ್ತು? propanamine. Very simple to write the IUPAC names. Okay, right? So in case, my dear students, in case more number of NH2s, one or more NH2s present on the carbon atoms in the state chain or parent chain. How to give the names? Very simple, my dear students. By taking one example, I make you understand. Suppose CH2 single bond CH2. Here I wrote NH2. Here I wrote one NH2. You know, so in this compound more than one NH2s are there. How to give the name to these compounds? In case one or more nitrogen NH2 groups present in the parent chain on the carbon atoms, we have to specify the carbon number. You have to give the specify the carbon numbers of parent chain bearing the NH2 group, having the NH2 group 1 or 2. Specify the carbon numbers in the parent chain bearing NH2 group. Okay, bearing NH2 group, you have to give the numbering. Then how to write this? How many carbons? 2 carbons are there. Then we can give first ethane berbakery. Ethane. ಎಷ್ಟು NH2s are? 2 NH2s. Where is the NH2s? First carbon or second carbon? So that right, you can write 1,2 because first carbon having NH2, second carbon also having NH2. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 1,2 di NH2 2, total is 2 are there. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ I wrote diamine. ಏನಮ್ಮ ಇದು? Diamine. But ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ don't remove the E. Okay now, Linda, don't remove the E. Please remember, my dear students. So this is the exception. Fine. I hope that this is clear to you all, right? So in case aromatic amines, how will you give the name? In case of aromatic amines, suppose similar example, I will give one more here. H2N single bond NH2 CH2 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 CH3. CH3. So here instead of here I am writing here NH2. How to give the name? Give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ butane. First ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ನೀವು? Butane ಬರಬೇಕು. Butane.